I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety. Park and set the brake, then turn the key to ACC or on so the infotainment powers up. Once the screen is active, make sure the audio source you'll adjust is selected, FM, Bluetooth, or USB, because settings can differ per source. If you plan to tweak phone audio, pair your smartphone now or plug in the USB cable. Doing these steps first saves time and ensures the system responds when you change levels, balance, and presets. You access the audio menu by pressing Home then Audio or by tapping the audio icon on the touchscreen. This is where Core controls live. Next, choose Settings then Audio so you can adjust bass, treble, fader, balance, and the equalizer presets. Use the physical volume knob or steering controls for coarse changes and the on-screen sliders for precise tweaking. As you adjust, listen to a familiar track. This helps you understand how each change affects. You finish by saving your preferred preset so the Civic recalls settings across drives. Then test audio with different sources and at driving speeds to confirm balance and bass stay consistent. If you hear distortion or loss of channels, reset audio to default in settings to rule out misconfiguration. Make sure to reboot the infotainment by turning the ignition off and waiting about 1 minute if problems persist. This often clears temporary glitches. If issues continue, check speaker wiring or visit a dealer for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.